Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example 8.1 which is there in the page number 101. Now let us see the question. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. Now the question is that what is the average speed of the object? Here you understand, object is the same but it covered two different distances. In fact, in this problem both the distances are equal. That means it covered two times, okay, two quantities of distances in two different times. First 16 meter it covered in 4 seconds. The next upcoming 16 meters it covered just in 2 seconds only. Now the question is that what is the average speed? First, here let us write the given data. Before that, better to get the idea of this formula. What is average speed? As we have seen earlier, there is a magic triangle from which we learnt that here is the distance and here is speed and here is time. Here the question is to find speed. What we need to find, that let us close. As we are in need of finding speed, let us close speed. Here what is left? Distance upon time is left. So we can say speed equal to distance by time. Here the question is that average speed. Average speed is also the same, but the total distance travelled by the total time taken, that's all. You just add the word total to get the average speed. So here I am writing the formula. Average speed formula is total distance travelled by the object, whether you write it or not, it's not a problem. Total distance travelled divided by total time taken. Total time taken. If it is just speed, we can say distance by time. As it is average speed, we are adding these words, total distance travelled by total time taken. Now here, from the given data, let us find the total distance travelled and also total time taken. So here I am writing total distance travelled. Total distance travelled by the object is, here you see, first it travelled 16 meters. Along with that, total means sum, means plus. Here it covered again 16 meters. So here 16 meters plus 16 meters is nothing but 32 meters. This is the total distance travelled. So let us write 32 meters divided by total time taken. Let us write it total time taken by the object. Here you see, this is 4 seconds plus this is 2 seconds. Here the total time is 4 plus 2 is 6. We can say 4 seconds plus 2 seconds is 6 seconds. So let us write this value here, 6 seconds. Clear? Here as the values, both the values can be cancelled with 2. Let us cancel. This is 2 16s and this is 2 3s. So 16 by 3. So let us simplify still more. 16 divided with 3. 3 5s are 15. Here remainder is 1. As it is smaller than this, we can keep the dot here so that here 10 will come, the decimal we can say. So here 3 3s are 9. Again 1, because this decimal becomes 10. Again 3 3s are again 9. So it goes on. Here also it goes on. So let us write it as 5.3333 so on. Here let us stop the value here. Since the next value is 3, we can write this 3 as it is. If it is 5 or more than 5, then we can write this 3 as 4. Is it clear? So here since it is 3, we can leave this 3 as it is. So 5.33, it is 5.33. Let us see the units. Meter per second. Meter per second. As you know, if distance is in meters, time is in second, then the SI unit of speed is meter per second. So let us write the conclusion. Therefore, see the question. What is the average speed of the object? You cut here what and is. So let us write the average speed of the object is. The average speed of the object is 5.33 meter per second. 5.33 meter per second. So here with this example 8.1 gets completed. Now we see another in-text question which is there in the page number 102. This question number is 5. In the textbook, this question number is 5. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. Now the question is that what was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? Here the given clue is that the signal travels at the speed of the light. As we know, the speed of the light is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Here the speed of the signal is also given the same. Here let us understand the question that the time taken by the signal to reach the ground station from the spaceship is 5 minutes. This is the given time. We are asked to find the distance. Here let us write the formula of distance. As you know, we have seen the magic triangle which says that distance, if we write distance here, this is the place or space for speed and this is for time. Here you see, as we are asked to find the distance by using this triangle, we are in need of finding distance. Let us close distance, then speed into time. So here distance is equal to speed into time. We know that distance travelled by the object is equal to speed of the object into time taken by it. In simple words, we can say distance equals speed into time. Here you understand, distance equals speed into time. Now, so here for finding distance, we are in need of two quantities. Those are nothing but speed and time. Time is given as 5 minutes. So speed is also given, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Here time is in minutes. So let us convert minutes into seconds in order to solve this problem. Now here let us write, given time is equal to 5 minutes. As we know, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 5 minutes is 5 into 60 seconds. 5 60s are 5 6 are 30 and 1 more 0, so 300 seconds. So time is converted into seconds. Now let us see the speed now. There is also given speed is nothing but speed of the light, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. As we are asked to find the distance, let us substitute these values in the formula. Now the distance is speed into time. Here speed is 3 into 10 power 8 into time. Time is 300 seconds. So here this is meter per second into time is in second. Let us cancel second and second. So we are going to get the distance in meters. Here let us simplify further. Write 3 as it is, 10 power 8 also as it is, 300 I am writing as 3 into 100. 100 again I am writing as 3 into 10 square. unit series meters. Now let us multiply 3 and 3 and also 10 power 8 into 10 power 2. Here what happens? 3 3s are 9 into, as we know in the concept of exponents, it is in the form of a power m into a power n. When the bases are equal, when we have the multiplication in between them, we can add the powers. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So here a means 10, power m plus n, 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So these many meters. Clear? If at all you want to find in kilometers, we can write 9 into 10 power. Write this 10 as 7 and 3. Here also 7 plus 3 is 10. Now here 10 power 3 meters is kilometer. This is 1000 meters is kilometer. So we can write it as 9 into 10 power 7 kilometers also. Even though if you leave this answer into meters, nothing wrong. This is also correct. So here either this answer or this answer, both of them are correct only. Right. Now here let us conclude this. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? Let us write the conclusion that you got this what? You start from here. The distance of the spaceship from the ground station was 9 into 10 power 10 meters or 9 into 10 power 7 kilometers. With this in-text question 5 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.